Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create guest menu tracker in Airtable, right? So we start from scratch, and you can also upload Excel or Google Sheet or even CSV or pasted data, right? So by default you get bunch of fields that you don't need, so you can get rid of them, right? So here the primary field is name. You can replace that with auto number, right? And save that. Now let's see if I want to add a date. On that particular date guest will order something, so I will have that date in a friendly way along with the time, right? Then we can also add the name of guest, so guest name single text. We will also add say menu, so menu should be multiple select, say starter or maybe side dish or main dish or dessert. Then we can choose item, and finally we can choose the note for that. So let's see, on particular day and time guest name Adam will come for say starter menu, right? And we'll order something like, let's say, Manchurian, right? And then let's say note for him would be only single order, right? Same we can do for one more person. Can add their preference, side dish, see something like naan and curry, right? And family order, but specific preference for that particular guest for this menu, right? So if you have like any restaurant or see something where you prepare some menu in advance, you can maintain guest menu tracker like this, and you can prepare for them in advance. Now next thing, we can also add a form view where let's see menu item tracker, and we can make it personal view, and here we got the form. You can also add details later, right? So if we check it in another tab, it should look something like this, right? So we have like booking for 5th, guest name, then we add some item, main dish, so beans and biryani, and so family of 4. So like this we can track our some of the guest menu in advance, and based on that we can also maintain the view, right? And we can view that in grid view. You can see like this. Now the reason 3 is empty is because we used auto numbering and 3 was already created, then it followed by that, so 4th entry is there. Okay, so like this you can maintain your guest in a menu item tracker.